I tell you that you are not prepared for the future that has already arrived. I assure you that. The price of XRP Ripple might never be this low again. The CEO of Ripple was quoted as saying that the court case might be resolved as soon as this month. What is even more peculiar is the fact that he is discussing the possibility that the price of XRP Ripple could reach $589. Over the course of the whole history of cryptocurrencies, something like this has never occurred before. What is going on the other side of the screen? Who or what is the source of these positive thoughts? Have a look at this, shall we? It will blow your mind. Thank you very much. According to a number of sources, the Ripple transaction is expected to take place within the next 3 to 4 days, and it may even take place before the 20th of May. This is a significant shift for those who own XRP, as well as for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. The fact that the judge has stated that the final report must be submitted by the 20th of May has filled everyone with a great deal of excitement. According to the pronouncement of the judge, the final day to hand in all of the documentation and papers is the 20th of May, 2024. As a consequence of this, the legal conflict is essentially over, as both parties have a concrete date by which they must conclude their arguments and complete their documentation. After the discovery of this proof, the cryptocurrency world is ecstatic and full of speculation. Many individuals believe that the transaction has the potential to result in a significant increase in the price of XRP. When the payment is scheduled to be made public on May 31st, analysts believe that XRP might hit $10 per token. This is just a few days before the payment is scheduled to be made public. Individuals are optimistic because they believe that the conclusion of the lawsuit will eliminate a significant challenge for Ripple, which will make it simpler for a greater number of individuals to utilize and invest in the cryptocurrency. In order to demonstrate these modifications, let us have a look at the papers that are significant. The deadline for the submission of all briefs from third parties that are opposed to the omnibus letter effort to seal the files is the 20th of May, according to a significant piece of literature. This indicates that the conclusion of the lawsuit is drawing near and that all legal hurdles are on the verge of being removed. The outcome of this settlement has the potential to have a significant impact. It's a significant amount of study and the expectation that XRP will become significantly more valuable once the legal uncertainty is removed are the foundations upon which the price projections are built. It is possible that this is the moment that a great number of people who own XRP have been waiting for. After that, things are going to get much more exciting. This article will discuss what we can anticipate from the rise of XRP Ripple and how it may alter. Amazing as it may be, this may completely blow your head. Imagine for a moment that the value of XRP skyrockets, hence introducing additional opportunities in the realm of cryptocurrency. The following is something that you won't want to have missed out on. Be sure to stay tuned if you are interested in learning more about this incredible vacation. We already know that a significant number of analysts believe that the price of XRP will increase by a significant amount. Some others believe that by the 31st of May of this year, it might reach an astounding $10 per token. This forecast is based on the assumption that the settlement will result in an increase in the level of confidence and adoption among investors. Let's take a look at how Ripple fits into the oil payments sector, which is estimated to be worth $500 trillion. It is true that you did hear that. There are $500 trillion because of Ripple's technology. There is the potential for a significant shift in the manner in which oil payments are conducted, which might result in a massive market for XRP. We consider the potential impact that this could have on the price of XRP, as well as its position in the cryptocurrency market. It is a significant alteration in the game. On the other hand, what about those significant price targets for XRP? A number of industry professionals are of the opinion that the price might reach an astounding $589 during the final phase of this potential bull run. I'm not simply speculating about that amount. The decision is influenced by a great deal of technical market elements. A significant number of individuals who are in possession of XRP are thrilled by this audacious declaration. In light of the fact that we are already discussing fundamental analysis, let us discuss Fibonacci extension patterns and the implications that these patterns have for the price of XRP currently. Analysts have been keeping a close eye on these trends since they provide them with valuable information regarding the possible movements of pricing throughout the market. The fact that XRP has broken through significant Fibonacci levels indicates that the price is likely to continue its upward trend. It would appear that reaching $10, $45, or even $589 per XRP would be less difficult than we now believe it to be. Although we are eagerly awaiting the conclusion of the Ripple case, it is abundantly evident that XRP has a prosperous future ahead of it. There are several reasons to be thrilled about this situation. Analysts are anticipating a price increase. Ripple is introducing groundbreaking innovations in the oil payments business, and technical indicators indicate that there is a significant amount of potential for growth. At the moment, all indications point to the conclusion of the case against the SEC occurring anytime very soon. What exactly does this imply for Ripple, though? You can expect a picture from me. 4 years ago, when Ripple first started out on its adventure, the future was never really certain. There were a great number of partners who abandoned Ripple because they did not have faith in the promise that it offered. The plot has undergone a complete transformation now that it is the present day. It seems like almost every day that we learn that the CEO of Ripple has announced large-scale deals that are causing significant changes in the corporate world. Get a look at it. From being looked down upon to being at the forefront of fresh ideas, Ripple has completely changed its reputation. This is an incredible development, and the fact that the legal battle against the SEC is soon to come to a close leaves the door open for Ripple to achieve even greater heights. Take advantage of this opportunity to learn and develop. The insane part is about to begin. The chief executive officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has dropped clues that a deal could be finalized by the end of July. He made the following statement: if we get the settlement by the end of July, that's going to give us value. Those who have invested in XRP are considering the possibility that the price may increase significantly once the legal issue has been resolved as a result of this comment. Bear in mind, as too, that once the transaction was finalized, Japanese financial institutions began utilizing XRP. In the field of banking, Japan has long been recognized as a country where innovative ideas are conceived. There is the potential for Ripple to gain a significant market share if Japanese banks begin to use XRP. Both Japanese consumers and Japanese banks can benefit greatly from the use of XRP because it is a quick and simple method of sending money across international borders. After that, things are going to get much more exciting. Ripple's potential initial public offering IPO and exchange-traded fund ETF after the sale are receiving a lot of attention. If Ripple were to hold an initial public offering IPO, it would transform into a publicly traded company, which would allow investors to purchase shares in the company. This might bring a significant amount of money to Ripple, which would assist the company in expanding and improving its products and services even more. An exchange-traded fund ETF, on the other hand, would make it possible for investors to obtain exposure to Ripple and XRP without having to purchase the digital currency directly. It is possible that this will attract a greater number of investors, including institutional investors who might not be interested in investing their money directly in cryptocurrencies. Through both an initial public offering IPO and an exchange-traded fund ETF, Ripple has the potential to garner more attention, money, and trust in the financial markets. No restrictions on what can be done, and the future of Ripple and XRP appears to be brighter than it has ever been. It is important that you stay connected, since we are still keeping a close check on these developments to determine what the future holds for Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry. Earlier, we had a conversation regarding some fascinating new developments. Although a great deal is known about Ripple and XRP, there is still a great deal more to understand about them. What are the opinions of crypto enthusiasts and industry professionals regarding the possibility that the price will increase after the trial period concludes this month? Hey, get ready, because what we are going to say will leave you unable to find the words to express yourself. Take note of this information, since it has the potential to completely transform the planet. We are about to uncover the horrifying truth from the brains of crypto professionals, so grab some popcorn and fasten your seatbelts, because we are about to hear it. Let's begin by taking a look at what some of the most well-known crypto specialists have to say regarding the future of XRP. Captured, it was recently stated by a prominent analyst that XRP would soon be trading at more over $10 per unit. It was just lately that Jack, who has more than 215,000 followers, wrote this. The fact that he has such a positive view demonstrates that an increasing number of people believe that XRP has the potential to achieve new heights. It is remarkable how influential voices in the cryptocurrency field have the ability to alter people's perceptions of the market and the level of excitement that investors experience. However, those who are wealthy are not the only ones that have a love for XRP. The XRP community is filled with a broad sense of joy and excitement, which can be felt by everybody. There is a great deal of excitement among investors over the outcome of the SEC case and the potential price hike that may follow thereafter. People are discussing about it on social media sites and online forums, which are bustling with activity. Both the strength and commitment of the XRP community demonstrate the extent to which they trust in the long-term objectives of the project. In point of fact, a supporter of XRP recently stated, "I've held XRP for years, and I've never been more sure of its future." Ripple is making headway in the market for oil payments, and the case is getting closer and closer